Did you know that colors can significantly influence how users perceive and interact with your directory website? So, understanding color psychology is key to creating a positive user experience. In this video, we will explore the world of color psychology and how it affects user experience on directory websites. When choosing a color scheme, selecting colors that align with your brand identity and convey the right message to your users is essential. Your color choices should reflect your brand's personality and values. Consistent use of your brand colors throughout your directory website establishes recognition and trust by creating a cohesive look and feel, strengthening your brand's presence. Different colors evoke different emotions. For instance, blue can create a sense of trust, making it ideal for professional services, while red can evoke excitement, perfect for dynamic and energetic brands. Remember that readability is an essential element when creating your directory website. Ensuring sufficient contrast between text and background colors can enhance the user experience and make your site more accessible to all users. Use contrasting colors to highlight key elements like call-to-action buttons and featured listings. This will draw user attention to your site's most important areas. To determine what works best for your audience, conduct A/B testing with different color schemes and gather user feedback. This data will help you optimize your website's color and design for maximum impact. Color psychology is a powerful tool for directory website design. You can create a visually appealing and engaging online experience by understanding how colors impact user emotions and behavior. Strategic color choices can boost user engagement, improve navigation, and drive conversions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your directory site.